Hello, my name's Ben. I'm a Community Engagement Ranger for Hampshire Countryside Services. As we approach the autumn and winter seasons and the nights are drawing in, this has been proven to have a negative effect on our mental well-being. I'll be sharing 4 easy tips on how you can enjoy your time in the outdoors and in nature and hopefully improve your mental well-being. Tip 1, wrap up warm. Dress appropriately for the weather. Also, it might be an idea to stick a flask in your bag so you've got access to a nice hot drink. I've brought my flask today and I'm going to head up to the barn at Hampshire Country Park now. Tip 2, try and spend some time out in nature during your working day. Myself, I like to spend 10 to 15 minutes out of the office on my lunch break having a nice walk in the fresh air. It's been proven to improve your production of serotonin and dopamine, which help to improve your mood. And also, if you're out at lunchtime, it takes you away from a stressful work environment. Any time in the fresh air and the daylight is guaranteed to improve your mood. Tip 3, what to concentrate on when you're out for your walk. I personally like to notice subtle changes happening in the seasons around me. Maybe it will be the birdsong, the sound of the wind through the trees. I like to hear the crunching of leaves between my feet, especially around this time of year. Also, touch and feel. Smell. Could be you're out in a rainstorm. There's always a nice smell after a rainstorm. And also, I like to take a couple of deep breaths of fresh air because there's nothing better than being outside in the fresh air in nature. I like to try and use all my senses to bring myself into the present. Tip 4, all of this can be incorporated into your leisure time. I enjoy nothing more than going out with my family, be it exploring a new area we haven't been to, be it splashing in puddles, or even if we find something in nature that we don't know what it is. We always take a picture, go home, find out what it is, check in the books. Whatever you decide to do, please spend some time in nature. You will not regret it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.